Let's continue from practice 11, question 12. Question 12 said that what percent of the math test did he pass? How many percent he passed? Because he said that he have 20 questions, he failed 6 of them. Or he have 20 tests, failed 6 of them. So he passed 14%. Of passing equal to 14 over 20 times 100%. It's the same concept. So divided by 2 equals 7, divided by 2 equals 10. So it's 70%, 7 over 10. So it's E. Number 13. What percent of the glove in the box are size 6? Size 6. 24 are size 6. 12 pairs are size 7. They're either 6 or 7. So the size 6% of size 6 equal to 24 out of the total is 36 times 100%. And you notice that this is 2 over 3. 2 over 3 is equal to 66 into the percent. 65. So 14. The return 65% of x is 195. They want to find 75% of x. Okay. So straightforward. You can change it to something that's easy to calculate because it's 75 here, so it's multiple of 5. So what I can do here actually, I can divide by everything by 65. You got 3. X percent, 1% is 1% of x is 3. So x equals to 300. So I can change to 75% times 300. Percent is per 100, so there are 2 zeros at the bottom, cancel 0% and the 0. So you got 75 times 3, you get 225 in this case. The answer is B. Number 15. What percent of the new solution is alcohol? So they said that how many of them are alcohol? So originally it was 25 ounces, 20% of alcohol. So alcohol in this case, ounces of alcohol. Alcohol. So the original was 20% of 25 ounces. 20% is 1/5, so it's 5 ounces of them are alcohol. So now percent of alcohol for the new one is 5 out of the total of 75 times 100%. Right? You simplify it. 25 3, 25 4 is 20 out of 3%. 20 out of 3 is 6 and 2%. So what you need to do is find the original ounces of alcohol first. Then because you put in water, then the alcohol amount is not increased. You still stay at 5 ounces. But the total amount of the solution becomes 25 plus 50 more water, so it's 75 ounces. So the alcohol is 5 out of the 75 ounces. Right? So then you calculate the percentage. Number 16. They said what percent of the selling price? What percent of the selling price is the profit? What percent of the selling price of the watch is the store profit? That's what they want to find. So because the actual answer can be very fast, but I'm going to do a stronger way. They said the profit is 25% of the cost. The profit is actually 25% of the cost. So you can write down X% of the selling price is 25% of the cost. Okay. So we notice that X equal to 25 times the cost over the selling price. Now, the cost and the selling price, what is the relationship between them? So we can do this. If you notice, the selling price equal to the cost plus the profit. So selling price is actually equal to, this is profit is 25% of the profit. So actually this is 100%. So it's 100%, 125% of the cost. So you can change 25 cost, let's say C. Selling price is 125% of the cost. Cancel this, the percent, move this up to here. So you have X% equal to 25 over 125, which is 1 over 5. X equal to 20%. X percent equal to 20%. Okay. Start from X percent of selling price. They want to find X percent of selling price equal to profit. They tell you, looking for the 1%. So I know that the profit is also equal to 25% of the cost. So I cancel SHSAT equations. X equal to 25 cost over SP, the percent cancel. But at the same time, I know that the selling price is actually 125%. 125% of the cost. So cost and cost cancel. The percent move over the other side. The percent move over to the other side. And to make it X percent, 25 over 125 is 1/5, which is 20%. This is a longer way. Let's look at the shorter way. Now, since the selling price equal to 125% of the cost, so selling price equal to 5 over 4C. So cost equal to 4 over 5 of the selling price, which is 80% of the selling price. So the profit will be the difference, will be 20% of the selling price. Alright, so this is a simple way. Selling price is 125% of C because it's based on 100. Okay, make 25%. So become 5/4 of C. You move this over, become 4/5 of selling price. So 4/5 of selling price is 80%. So if the cost is 80%, then the profit will be 20%. Okay? Number 17. Alright, 480 of the 500 seats were occupied. What percent is not occupied? Percent of not occupied is very easy. Not occupied is equal to 220 over 500. So you notice that times 2 equals 4 over 100, which is 4%. 18. The percent of drop, percent of weight drop, percent drop equal to, you drop by 21 pounds. Original was 168 times 100%. So you notice that this is 1 over 8. 1/8 is 12.5%. So the answer is A. 19. Which one is 0.01%? 0.01% is 0.01 over 100. And move to decimal is 1 over 40 at the bottom. 10 to the 4 power E. 20. If A is increased by 300% of A, is B. If A origin was 100%, increased by 300% of A, which is 400% of A equal to B. So they want to find out what is A is what percent of B. So this is 400, this is actually 4. A equal to 1/4 B. So this is 25%. A is what percent of B? Okay, so you switch around. A equal to 1/4 B. X percent is 25%.